Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment, cybersecurity and privacy, week 9, assignment 9. So the first question is, what is the earliest notion of privacy in history? So these are the option, and the answer of our first question is B. Privacy as freedom, emphasizing the right to be let alone. Now the second question is, true or false? Privacy is an absolute right in the context of law. True or false? So the answer of our second question is B, false. Now the third question is, the acronym FIPP stands for. So these are the option, and the answer of our third question is C. Fair information practice principles. Now the fourth question is, the dash view argues that privacy is not an independent concept but can be reduced to other rights like property or liberty. So these are the option: economic, feminist, political, reductionist. So the answer of our fourth question is D, reductionist. Now the fifth question is, what is the core principle of informational privacy? So these are the option, and the answer of our fifth question is D, the ability of individuals to decide what personal information they share and with whom. Now the sixth question is, the FIPPs were first introduced in a report by. So these are the option, and the answer of our sixth question is C, the US Secretary's Advisor Committee on Automated Personal Data Systems. Now the seventh question is, according to India's DPDP Act, what who is the data principal? So these are the option, and the answer of our seventh question is C, the individual whose data is being processed used. Now, the eighth question is, which of the following aspects of data privacy is not explicitly addressed in the FIPP? So these are the option, and the answer of our eighth question is B, the right to be forgotten. Now, the ninth question is, under India's DPDP Act, which of the following correctly describes the role of a data processor? So these are the option, and the answer of our ninth question is C, the entity that processes personal data on behalf of the data fiduciary. Now, the 10th question is, which of the following are important reason why information privacy is significant for organizations? Select all that apply. More than one answer may be possible. So the answer of our 10th question is A, B, D, and E. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.